You sent the pitch and someone replied with interest? Great. But what happens next can either build trust or send them running. The discovery call is where clients decide if they trust you enough to pay you. It's not just a chat, it's your interview, value proposition, and filter system all rolled into one. Today, you will learn how to lead that call like a pro, confidently, calmly, and with clarity. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to structure a discovery call that leads to real paid work, spot red flags before signing a contract, communicate your value and process without overselling, handle objections and steer the conversation without awkwardness. Before the call, set the stage. Send a quick confirmation message with time and platform, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. Duration, 15 to 30 minutes works best. A sentence about what to expect. Example, looking forward to chatting. I'll walk you through how I typically work with ghostwriting clients, learn more about what you're looking for, and answer any questions. Keep the tone warm but clear. You're not just a freelancer, you're a collaborator. Discovery, call, structure. Here's a reliable structure. Build rapport, 2 to 3 minutes. Light conversation. Ask how they heard about you. Compliment their recent work genuinely. Ask about their goals, 5 to 7 minutes. Let them talk. Don't jump in with solutions. Ask, what made you reach out now? What's working with your content and what's not? What kind of content do you wish you had more of? Share your approach, 5 to 7 minutes. Once they've talked, explain how you help. Emphasize your process, not just deliverables. Say, I usually start by getting voice samples, building a content plan, and then sending you weekly drafts. Most clients spend about 20-30 minutes a week reviewing, and I handle the rest. Pricing and timeline, 5 to 7 minutes. Only bring this up once they're interested. Be direct and calm. Say, for this scope, my pricing usually starts around X, depending on how many posts you want weekly and the feedback process. Avoid justifying your rates. State them with confidence. Close with next steps, 2 minutes. Ask, would you like me to send a proposal and sample contract based on what we discussed? Red flags to watch for. These signs often predict trouble. How quickly can you start without clear goals? I've worked with other ghostwriters but didn't like their stuff with no details. Big promises, vague timelines. Multiple people are joining the call with unclear roles. A weird vibe. Trust your gut. You can always politely say, I don't think I'm the best fit for this project, but I appreciate the conversation. How to handle objections gracefully. If they say, that's more than I expected, respond calmly. Totally understand. My rates reflect the hands-on nature of this work, particularly in terms of tone and strategy. If it's out of range right now, no worries at all. We can stay in touch for future projects. Don't lower your rate on the spot. Let them decide. A good discovery call isn't about impressing someone. It's about showing them that you understand it and giving yourself the space to decide if this project is a fit.